Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Goyal. I will be discussing my individual performance in Sprint 2, and the title of our project is A Study on Water Availability and Usage. Next is, in this project, my role is of a dashboard designer. Next is accomplishments. Till now, I have made different accomplishments in the project Sprint 2. I performed the summarizing and arrangement of data as shown in the screenshot. The data collected for Sprint 2 was properly summarized and arranged to generate the best results. Also, the data was organized in Excel sheet. This helped to give a quick view of the water related data of Australia. Next is the visualization that I have done for the Sprint 2. Now moving to the dashboard in which I have done the visualization, and the main purpose of this visualization is to focus on the purpose and usage of water in each sector, and water supply and recreation, irrigation and hydroelectricity are the main sectors, so that we can give recommendations and suggestions on how we can use the water in each sector according to the requirements. Next is the stream specific knowledge. In this project, I applied my software skills to create a BI dashboard. I also applied my interpretation skills to properly analyze and interpret data. I also applied demonstration skills and strategies for the BI dashboard. Next is the reflection and learning. I have learned so many things in this Sprint 2. Through this project, I learned to collaborate in a team. I learned to use my software skills and other skills practically. I also learned in detail about the water conditions in Australia. Also, I have realized that this problem requires immediate attention. Next is what could have been done better. So many things have been gone better in the Sprint 2. Time could have been managed more efficiently in Sprint 2, and more meetings could have been held. Thank you.